Sheleg Twins!
Guys, you know where we are? We're at the bird sanctuary in Key Largo. Yes? Let's go see the birdies. Oh, there's some. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and see if we can help. Okay, let's see if there's any flamingo. Look who we have here, American-born owl. And there it is. Wow! Let's check out here. Who do we have? Short-tailed hawk. Over there. Okay. Alright, so let's go the other way then. Oh, there's another barred owl here. Check her out. She's beautiful. She's gorgeous. Look at that owl there. Barred owl. Wow. This is red-shouldered hawk. Guys, kids, you know why we're here? You know why these birds are here? Because they were sick. Because these birds were sick. And these people brought them here to the sanctuary to help them to get back on their... Okay, let's go. Show me what you want to show. Show me what you want. Show me what you want me to see. Yes, little birds. So what I was gonna say, you know these birds are... You know why these birds are here? Because they were lost in the nature, and they were, you know, these people from the sanctuary, they brought them over here to get them back in there. I think she's hungry. I think she wants some food. So. Guys, look at this bird. You see? She was sick because she doesn't have the right eye, the left eye. You have a 3.5 feet wingspan. Guys, did you see this giant lobster? Wow! Woo! It's a huge lobster. It's a tail. That's a tail. Wow, tail of the lobster. Wow. Here, okay? There's the little creatures, sea creatures, little sea creatures. Oh, so look at this bird. She looks alive with this head out. Yes, guys, but you need to be careful, you know, because they made out of glass. It's made out of glass. It's a sea bottle. Okay, my loves, you ready to feed Tarpon? Okay, let's do it. That's a big fish. So let's watch for the pelicans because they're gonna try to steal your food. Okay, so all you need to do is just come over here. Come here. Take your bucket. Okay, now let's do this. Let's just take one fish, put the bucket down. Yes, it's a little stinky. But okay, let's take one. By its tail. Did you see that? Yeah! Now, Mama, watch for the pelicans because they're gonna try to steal the fish. Okay? Hey boys. Hey boys. Look, it's gonna jump out of the water now, no? Ooh, did you see that? Did you see that? Jump out of the water. Okay, try it. Take it by its tail.
Okay.
Take it by its tail. Philip. They're like dogs, right? Ooh.
Najszować nami.
And here we are at the Sombrero Beach and Marathon Key West. Marathon Key.
Papa, a tapos sikat na isla ni Mama doon.
McDonald's. You guys want to go swimming? No?
Sudah.
McDonald's.
Macam McDonald's.
What's this?
No, you see it says out of order. No. It says out of order. Out of order. Push the board. Let me see what you can do. Push the board. Push the board. Just right on the board.